Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. The centre has asked states and union territories to be extra vigilant in enforcing public health measures to contain the spread of Omicron variant of COVID-19. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has written to the Additional Chief Secretary and Principal Secretary of all states and union territories in this regard. He said international passengers are arriving from both at-risk and other countries to different states and union territories. He said all state surveillance officers have been provided access to Air Sovita portal of the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Bhushan asked the states to access the portal every day to know in advance the details of passengers coming in their respective states from different international airports. Health Secretary said constant vigilance regarding transmission of any variant is essential. Bhushan said enhanced testing is the only strategy for detection of the virus. Member Secretary Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textiles, R.R. Chungtia, yesterday inaugurated the MultiPurpose Common Facility Centre under Eri Silk Development for Women Empowerment project at Chungtia. Speaking at the program, Chungtia expressed satisfaction over the progress of the project. He stressed on the sustainability of the project, saying that people should find ways and means for other value addition. He also expressed hope that the project would become a reliable source of raw material production and uplift economic status of the villages. The Multipurpose Common Facility Centre will house weaving and spinning machines that will employ around 150 womenfolk from the village. Governor of Nagaland, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, extended financial support of 3 lakh rupees to the bereaved family of N. Kadne Konyak. The cheque amount was personally handed to Kadne's wife by D. Simon Thavasalan K on behalf of the Governor of Nagaland yesterday. Rifleman N. Kadne Konyak and 6 others were killed in an ambush by militants on the convoy of the 46th Assam Rifles at CLC village Churachandpur, Manipur on November 13th this year. Advisor for Food and Civil Supplies, Legal Metrology and Consumer Protection Department, Pukai Simi, launched the eDaakhil portal for Nagaland on Thursday at Kohima. Speaking at the launching program, Pukai said, "The portal is essential and necessary to protect the citizens and entire consumer of the country in general from exploitation by the traders." He said under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, several programs have been initiated for the services of the citizens across the country. The advisor also thanked the NIC for developing the consumer-centric service for the state. Further, Pukai assured that all the programs and activities taken up by the Consumer Affairs Department will also be followed up. Department of Youth Resources and Sports felicitated the triumphant Nagaland Taekwondo players who participated in the recently held Indo-Nepal International Taekwondo Championship on November 27th and 28th at New Delhi. In a short program held at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kohima, last evening, the department felicitated the Taekwondo players who won 18 medals, 9 gold, 7 silver and 2 bronze in the international championship. The team also produced one of its best record with the highest gold medal tally among the 38 participating teams. Secretary of Youth Resources and Sports Department, Vezope Kenye, acknowledged the achievement of the young players for bringing laurel to the state. He said the department is doing its best to focus on every possible way where the state can produce an Olympian in the state. Director Akamla Juba expressed hope that the players will keep up the momentum and achieve more medals for the state in the future. And as India marches towards administering 150 crore vaccine doses against COVID-19, news about the fresh corona variants is also causing concern. In this situation, we appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. Please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information guidance, national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.